we're tackling the very competitive $1,000 price point for 2026. Let's see what that money gets you.
We're actually going to cap our budget at $1,100. This lets us sneak in some great models just overhead.
So what can you really expect for your money? Let's dive in and see what this sweet spot gets you.
At this price, you should be getting a sapphire crystal, a good automatic movement, and decent water resistance. Okay, let's start with the Titans, kicking things off with Seiko. Their variety under $1,000 is just unmatched.
You're getting their upgraded 6R movements here, which means a solid 3-day power reserve. That's a big deal.
Next up, Citizen. They're all about packing in some seriously advanced tech as you hit that $1,000 mark. So you've got a choice, the set-it-and-forget-it convenience of EcoDrive, or a slick, modern automatic. Okay, over to Switzerland with Tissot. As part of Swatch Group, they deliver insane value for money. The real star is the Powermatic 80 movement. An 80-hour power reserve means it's totally weekend-proof. Some models even get COSC certified for high accuracy. That is almost unheard of at this price. Hamilton is another Swatch Group powerhouse. Collectors absolutely love their field and pilot's watches. You'll notice they all have that super clean, readable style. And yep, that 80-hour power reserve again. All right, let's talk specialists. First up is Certina, a brand with deep roots in pro-level diving. Their double security system means extra seals and shock absorption, making these watches incredibly tough. Now, Christopher Ward. They've gone from a small microbrand to a huge independent force in Swiss watches. They offer an awesome mix of styles, like the versatile Sealander or the super fun, colorful Trident Diver. Next up is Formex. This brand is all about engineering, innovative features, and some really advanced materials. Check this out. A special hardening treatment makes their titanium case over 4 times tougher than regular steel. Okay, our last chapter, Microbrands. These guys are seriously shaking things up in this price range. These smaller brands pack in unique specs, like Earth & Co.'s surprisingly affordable and tough ceramic cases. Okay, so after looking at everyone from the big dogs to the upstarts, let's recap what you're getting. The market is just jam-packed with value. You can find classic designs, new tech, and advanced materials. Look, there really is no single best watch. It's all about what's best for you and your priorities. Figuring out what matters most to you is the key. That's how you'll find the perfect watch. Thanks for watching.